Hello, hi guys. How are you? Hope you people are doing well. Even I am fantastic. I guess you wrote your audit exam very well. And speaking about the paper, I would say this is a fantastic paper actually. If you see the uh, from my experience, I haven't seen this type of paper anytime. This is the first time I'm seeing this type of paper, which is completely analytical in nature. See, from my perspective, the paper is very easy if you have prepared conceptually, if you have prepared analytically, and the paper would be very much tough if you have just prepared audit as a normal theory subject, if you have just by hearted the questions in such a way. This is the most toughest paper for you, because if you see the questions, it involves various calculation parts, it involves various analysis portion. Mainly if you see the MCQ part, there are two case scenarios which involves certain calculations. The third case scenario, it involves calculations, and the second case scenario, it is somewhat analytical. And even coming into the theory questions also, it is completely analytical. Okay, you need to analyze, you need to completely understand the concept, only then you will be able to answer it. Otherwise it would have been the toughest paper, if you haven't learned analytical or concept wise. And coming to the areas that are covered in the paper, they have focused mainly on the standards as usual, and they have completely left over some of the chapters they haven't touched at all. If you see the first question, it is completely based on standards. SA 710, SA 240, I have told in the 1.5 day revision plan, I have told that question from SA 240 will be asked in this attempt. And you can see SA 240 question, and SAE 3420. This is basically new standard. It is expected that from the new standards they will ask the questions. And another thing, if you see all the questions including MCQs, 100% it is from our audit concise book. If you have studied our audit concise book, for sure you would have got exemption in this paper. 100% questions are from our audit concise book, you can once verify. And second question, the first one is asked from SQC1. This question from SQC1, they are asking from the past two attempts. I thought they might not test it in this attempt, but they have tested even in this attempt also. Next, SA620 and digital audit. I told from digital audit and this ESG chapter, for sure there will be question. So from digital audit there is a question, and even from SGD and ESG also, in the fifth question you will find. Caro, of course, there will be a question from Caro. And professional ethics, SRS 4410. This is basically a new standard. Next, NBFC. I thought they might not ask from NBFC this attempt. I thought they will test from bank audit, but they have tested from both NBFC as well as bank audit. You see, you can find here bank audit and NBFC. I have told a question will come from bank audit. I have told a question will come from Caro. If you check our 1.5 day revision plan that I have posted day before yesterday, all these chapters I have told. Okay, and professional ethics, of course. Next, SRE 2400. If you see in the question paper, they have mistakenly they have wrote it as SAE 2400, but it is SRE 2400. And internal audit, they haven't tested internal audit in the past two attempts. Basically, now they have tested. And SDG, ESG, again professional ethics. Basically, from the professional ethics, there are 5, 10, 14, 18 marks has been asked from the professional ethics as expected. And essay 402, bank audit, professional ethics or forensic accounting. This one also I told, since from the past two attempts they are asking from investigation, in this attempt for sure a question will come either from forensic accounting or due diligence. I told question from forensic accounting is there. So this is the question paper, or these are the areas covered in the question paper. And actually while solving or while going through the question paper, it has given me some adrenaline rush, because I haven't expected such a kind of paper actually. It is actually a good paper. Institute should ask these types of papers from now onwards. If you see, entirely it is case, case study based, case scenario based, and various provisions have been analyzed, right? So this is actually a good paper, and my view, it is a very easy paper if you have studied the audit subject in the way which you have to study. Otherwise it would have been a difficult paper for you. This is from my side. Let me know how you have felt about today's audit paper. Let me know them in the comment section. And you forget about audit paper from now. You focus on your next examination. Start preparation for your next examination. Okay, all the best.